Welcome to our guide on Discover Card Cashback. Today we'll explore how to maximize your rewards and save money with your Discover card. Let's dive into the cashback structure. Discover offers various categories like groceries, travel, and dining with different cashback percentages. Choosing the right cashback categories is crucial. Tailor them to fit your spending habits for optimal rewards. Don't forget about Discover's rotating categories. Keep track to ensure you're earning the most from your purchases. Explore additional cashback options through special promotions and offers to boost your rewards even further. Pairing your Discover card with other rewards programs can amplify your earnings. Keep track of your cashback earnings effectively using the Discover app to monitor your progress. Consider using your cashback to offset travel expenses or daily costs, making every dollar work for you. Beware of common pitfalls like neglecting to review category changes or missing out on promotions. To sum it up, maximizing your Discover card cashback involves understanding categories, utilizing promotions, and staying informed.